It's Friday, July 10th. I'm out at the Linden Mill Pond. First time this year. Hopefully we'll catch some fish before the next big heat wave comes through next week. Let's go fishing.
Been going down to the river for long as I can stand. Down by the river, honey.
Today I'm fishing with my friend Mike #1. We're going on an adventure that will cover a round trip distance of about 6 miles in 5 bodies of water without ever having to take our kayaks out of the water. We're starting in the Linden Mill Pond, then fishing the Shiawassee River, Tupper Lake, Lake Ponemah, Aanikegamaa Lake, and then back to the Linden Mill Pond. As I met up with Mike, he was landing his first largemouth of the day. Oh, awesome! Whopper plopper?
Hit my whopper plopper right up on the edge.
Yeah. Water level looks low.
Yeah, it might be.
But it didn't seem that low at the launch.
Yeah, it did seem right where it usually is. You'd think with all that heat wave, a lot of the water would have been evaporated out.
We got some thunder last night. A couple of times there were some downpours, but it was pretty. Oh, yes! Whoa! Yeah, that does look like a nice one. Come here, buddy. Come here. Oh, come here. Oh, man. Yeah. Where are you? Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on. Oh, yeah. Dude, that's huge.
Nice one.
Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. Well, that made the whole trip worth it. Right there.
I'll be hiding under those lily pads.
Oh, man. Oh, that's got to be 2.5, maybe 3, 2 3/4, I'll bet. Yeah, we'll find out. Destroyed my swim bait, though. While I was busy messing around with my fish cam, Mike hooked up with another big bass in the same area. Nice one. All right, let's see what this guy weighs. Oh yeah, 3.1. Yes. Love it. Oh yeah, nice 3.1 pound bass, largemouth bass. Man, tell me that isn't awesome. All right, buddy, ready to go home? Huh? All right, my friend. Thank you.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna weigh this one too.
There he goes. Thank you very much. All right. Yes. Oh, that's got to be 3.5, 4 pounds.
0.3 exactly. Check him out.
Oh yeah, that is beautiful. Sweet. Oh yeah. Whoa. Right by that. Yeah. Oh, he got off. Ah. Yep. Oh, another one. It might be. Oh, come here, buddy. Come here. Come on. Up. Whoa. Oh, I see ya. That's a decent one. Come here. Oh, yeah. That was cool. Yeah, £1.25 maybe, £1.5. Yeah, that was fun. That's a nice little bass. That was fun though. Ready to go home, my little friend? All right, there you go, buddy. Yes, see you later. Thank you. Yes. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Come here, buddy. Oh, that was cool. Oh, it's another nice one. Not as big as the first one, I don't think. Let's see here. Oh, man. Whoa. Whoa. Come here. Oh, yeah. Yeah, not bad. There we go. Yeah, but that's a 1.5 pounds, 1.75 pounds. Oh man, these batteries going bad. They're going bad. Let's see. It's acting up, but we'll see if I can get something. Yeah, it says 7 pounds. I don't think so. Yeah, I'm thinking 1.5 pounds, 1.75 pounds.
What's that one to Mike? So you caught a 7 pound.
You're ready to go back home, my friend? All right, there he goes. There he goes. Thank you very much. Oh.
Oh, you got it, you got it.
No way!
I could see him sitting there. Just a little guy.
That's decent, man. That's 1.5 pounds, maybe,
Yeah.
1.25 pounds.
He was just sitting there.
Whoa!
Come to Papa. Oh, yeah. Oh, of course. Oh,
No!
no! You see the size of him?
That looked like a 4 pounder or
That
something.
was a big one.
Oh! Oh! Oh, yes! 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 Oh, come on! Yes! Oh, that looked like a nice fish. Oh, yes! I love it! 2 jumps. Oh.
I can see that thing jumping from here.
Woo! This looks like a nice one, man. Whoa, whoa. All right, I'm not taking any chances. Come here, buddy. Come here. Yes! Woo! Yes! Oh, that's at least another 3 pounder. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, that thing is gorgeous. Ah. Come here, buddy. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah. All right. Well, I can't weigh him, but I can measure him. Let's see here. What is that? 18 inches. Yes. Oh man, what another gorgeous bass. Yes. Yep. That one was fun. Ready to go home, my friend? Yes. There he goes. See you later. Thank you. Awesome. Just awesome.
Oh, there we go. Long way out there.
Yeah. Whoa!
Never losing you. Oh yeah, nice one for sure.
Oh yeah, I can see him here. Oh!
Tried.
Man, that's another 3 something.
Hey, you want to get in my selfie with the fish? I don't know if you can. There you go. You're right. Yeah, he's a nice one.
Yeah, it is.
Let's see how long you are.
17 and a half, 18.
18 and a half.
Oh, wow.
Oh, shit. All right, get out of here. Get out of here, buddy.
Whoa!
Sorry. You want it out. Well, it'll probably be anytime. My buddy.
Oh! Oh, did you see that? Oh my God, he came out. He chased that thing down. Whoa. Oh, that's a decent one too. Come here, buddy. Oh, come here. Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, there you go.
That's a 2-pounder, at least. Now the part that I hate about whopper ploppers.
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Whoa, 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 dude. 2 pounds. Yeah.
Yeah, hold him up. Look at that bad boy.
Whoa, but
Oh, he's a little excited.
oh, yeah, nice 2-pound largemouth. Man, this is turning out to be a great day. Ready to go home, my friend? There you go. There he goes. Wow, he's taking his time.
Yeah, he's fastest when he's outside of the water, but if you put it in there, he just casually sits there.
See you later, my friend. It was a fun day. Between the two of us, we each caught 5 nice largemouth. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope you'll consider subscribing to my channel or clicking the like button, and thank you for watching. I don't think I'm lifting this one up with all the stuff in it.